In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect only images using Google Forms. This is a highly useful skill for anyone looking to gather visual information efficiently, whether for projects, research, or personal use. Let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Forms. If you haven't used it before, Google Forms is a powerful tool that allows you to create surveys, quizzes, and much more, all within the convenience of your Google account. Once you're there, you can choose to start with a blank form or select from a variety of templates that Google offers. For this tutorial, we'll be starting with a blank form to keep things straightforward. Once your form is open, the first thing you'll want to do is give it a title. A clear, descriptive title will provide participants with an immediate understanding of the form's purpose. Say we're asking for images of architectural designs. Simply name the form something like Architectural Design Image Collection. Below the title, there's an option to add a form description, where you can include any additional details or instructions that are pertinent to your form. Now, it's time to add a question to your form. Click on the question field, and you'll see a menu on the right with options. We want to make sure that participants can only upload images, so go to the question type dropdown, which is usually set to multiple choice by default. Here, we need to select File Upload, which will enable participants to upload files directly through the form. A pop-up window will appear, informing you that uploaded files will be stored in your Google Drive. Accept these terms by clicking Continue. This is crucial because you'll need sufficient Google Drive storage space for storing the images you receive. If necessary, consider organizing your drive or upgrading your storage for more capacity. After selecting File Upload, you'll notice a set of options allowing you to specify the upload settings. Here, it's important to uncheck all file types except for images. This will ensure contributors can only upload image files, such as JPEGs and PNGs. You can also set a maximum file size per image, which can help manage your Google Drive space effectively. Next, you may want to add another question or section for any additional information you require, like the name of the person submitting the image or a description of the image. Google Forms is flexible, so feel free to customize it to suit your needs. After setting everything up, remember to preview your form by clicking on the eye icon at the top of the page. This will display exactly what the participants will see, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments before sending it out. Once you're satisfied with the setup, you can share your form by clicking on the Send button at the top right corner. Google Forms provides different sharing options such as email, a link, or even embedding it on a website. And there you have it. Now you know how to collect only images using Google Forms. This method is not only efficient, but also ensures that all submissions are organized neatly in your drive. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting.